Welcome to Angelo Home Tours. Today, Angelo is showcasing Fairview at Summerlin by Lennar, a new luxury single-story home community in the award-winning Summerlin Master Plan community of Las Vegas. Located at 194 Elmwood Echo Street, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89138. Fairview is now accepting reservations. Every home features Lennar's signature Nextgen floor plan with a private entrance, living area, kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom, making it ideal for multi-generational living. Residents are just minutes from downtown Summerlin, Red Rock Casino, City National Arena, Las Vegas Ballpark, and Red Rock National Conservation Area. Let's take a look at the available floor plans. LOE's Nextgen. For bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, 3-car garage, approximately 3,793 square feet, starting from $1,898,990. Highlights include a covered patio, 3-car garage, entertainer's kitchen, and oversized walk-in pantry. The open concept layout connects the kitchen, dining, and great room, while the private Nextgen space includes its own living area, kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom. The main home also offers 2 secondary bedrooms and a spacious primary bedroom. Here are the available home exteriors and the standard floor plan. Cordelia Nextgen. For bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, 3-car garage, approximately 3,894 square feet, starting from $1,949,990. This plan features a private Nextgen suite, entertainer's kitchen, and 3-car garage. 2 secondary bedrooms with en-suite bathrooms and a flexible room sit near the entry, while the open living area leads to the covered patio. The primary bedroom is privately located at the back of the home with a spa-inspired bathroom. Here are the available home exteriors and the standard floor plan. Juliet Nextgen. 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, 3-car garage, approximately 3,972 square feet, starting from $1,999,990. The largest floor plan includes a private Nextgen suite, covered patio, oversized laundry room, and 3-car garage. The Nextgen space features its own entrance, living area, kitchenette, bedroom, bathroom, and laundry. The main home offers an open concept layout, multiple secondary bedrooms, and a luxurious primary bedroom. Here are the available home exteriors and the standard floor plan. Fairview at Summerlin offers luxury single-story living in a prime Summerlin location. Here are the available quick move-in homes. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in touring this community or would like more information, call or text Angelo at 725-287-5242. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Angelo Home Tours, and stay tuned for more new home tours in Las Vegas.